Top 7 vegetables that will beat diabetes. Diabetes is a global health challenge, but the good news is that it can often be managed and even improved through the right dietary choices. While medications and exercise are essential, what you put on your plate can be a game changer. Among the most effective foods for managing blood sugar levels are certain vegetables packed with nutrients, fiber, and compounds that support healthy glucose metabolism. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decisions regarding your health. Welcome to Health I Seek. If you are concerned about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you are in the right place. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative weekly videos where we explore the latest health tips and research. Here's a detailed look at the top 7 vegetables that are excellent for managing diabetes, along with the science behind their benefits. 1. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a powerhouse when it comes to controlling blood sugar levels. It contains active compounds like charantin and polypeptide P, which mimic insulin's action and help lower blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that bitter gourd can improve glucose tolerance and reduce fasting blood sugar levels. How to consume. Drink fresh bitter gourd juice on an empty stomach, or add it to stir-fries or curry dishes for a flavorful and healthy twist. Recommendations. To reduce its bitterness, soak chopped bitter gourd in salted water for 15 minutes before cooking. 2. Okra, lady's finger. Okra is rich in dietary fiber, especially mucilage, which slows down the absorption of sugar in the gut. According to a study published in Plants 2021, okra seeds may act as a natural remedy for diabetes due to their potent blood sugar lowering properties. How to consume. Slice okra and soak it in water overnight. Drink the infused water in the morning, or use it in soups, stews, or grilled dishes. Recommendations. Avoid overcooking okra to preserve its nutritional benefits. 3. Spinach and other leafy greens. Spinach is a non-starchy vegetable packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in insulin sensitivity. It's also high in antioxidants like lutein, which help reduce inflammation linked to diabetes. How to consume. Blend spinach into smoothies with a handful of berries, or sauté it with garlic as a side dish. Recommendations. Kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens provide comparable health benefits. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a natural compound known for its strong anti-diabetic properties. Research highlighted in Nutrients 2019 suggests that sulforaphane-rich broccoli extract may improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and decrease oxidative stress. How to consume. Steam or roast broccoli as a side dish, or add it to salads, soups, or stir-fries. Recommendations. Pair broccoli with a source of healthy fat, like olive oil, to enhance nutrient absorption. 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutrient-dense, low-carb vegetable that serves as an excellent alternative to higher-carb options such as rice and potatoes. It's also packed with fiber, which slows down glucose absorption. How to consume. Prepare cauliflower as a low-carb substitute by turning it into rice or mash, or roast it with spices for a satisfying snack. Recommendations. Try cauliflower crust pizza for a diabetic-friendly twist on a favorite dish. 6. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties, are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar metabolism. How to consume. Add raw bell peppers to salads or wraps, or roast or grill them for a smoky flavor. Recommendations. Use bell peppers as a natural bowl for stuffing with quinoa, beans, or lean proteins. 7. Carrots. Despite their natural sweetness, carrots have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for diabetics. They are high in fiber and vitamin A, which supports eye health, a crucial consideration for people with diabetes. How to consume. Snack on raw carrot sticks with hummus, or add shredded carrots to salads, soups, or baked dishes. Recommendations. Opt for lightly steamed carrots to retain their nutrients while enhancing digestibility. Key takeaway. These 7 vegetables are your allies in the fight against diabetes, offering powerful nutrients to help balance blood sugar and support overall health. Simple changes to your meals can make a world of difference, so start exploring these options today. For more insights like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your journey to better health starts here. Thanks for watching.